Welcome to these exercises to help strengthen your core. If you find this one too difficult, check out my knee lift exercise. So we start on all fours. So the knee lift exercise I did, which you can watch the video if you like, is tucking the toes and lifting the knees off, not too far off the floor. But this video we're going to develop from that. So one leg is going to be extended out. The toe is on the floor if you can. You're pressing down to your hands. And these are contraindicated if you've got any heart issues. So you don't want to be doing any of these exercises if you've got any heart issues. Press down through the toes and lift the front knee off the floor. You're aiming to see if you can hold this up to 30 seconds to a minute in the end. But if you're not used to strengthening these muscles, a couple of seconds might be enough. So when you finish that side, just holding for as long as you're able without shaking or holding your breath, you can then switch to the other side. Lift the front knee off the floor. Not too far up, remember, close to the floor. Breathing and then releasing down. And then into child's pose.